Who was Richard Lovingv? Have you ever wondered how love can change the course of history? Richard Lovingv is a perfect example of this. He was an American man who became famous as part of an interracial couple at the center of a landmark civil rights case. Born on October 29, 1933, Richard married Mildred Jeter in 1958. Mildred was a Black and Native American woman, and their marriage directly challenged Virginia's laws against interracial marriage. At that time, Virginia had strict anti-miscegenation laws. These laws prohibited interracial couples from marrying. Richard and Mildred were arrested and convicted for violating the Racial Integrity Act. They faced a year in prison, but the sentence was suspended if they agreed to leave Virginia and not return together for 25 years. Rather than live apart, Richard and Mildred moved to Washington, D.C., where their marriage was legal. However, they longed to return to their home in Virginia. In 1963, Mildred reached out for help. She wrote a letter to then Attorney General Robert F. Kennedy. He referred them to the American Civil Liberties Union. The ACLU took up their case, and with the help of lawyers Bernard S. Cohen and Philip J. Hirschkup, they challenged Virginia's ban on interracial marriage. They argued that the law violated the 14th Amendment, which guarantees equal protection and due process. Their case made it all the way to the United States Supreme Court. On June 12, 1967, the court issued a unanimous decision in favor of the Lovingvs. The ruling stated that laws prohibiting interracial marriage were unconstitutional. Chief Justice Earl Warren emphasized that marriage is a basic civil right. Denying it based on race was incompatible with the 14th Amendment. After this historic ruling, Richard and Mildred returned to Virginia. They lived openly as a married interracial couple and raised 3 children together. Tragically, Richard Lovingv died in a car accident in 1975. Mildred continued to advocate for civil rights until her death in 2000. From a liberal viewpoint, Richard Lovingv symbolizes a commitment to love and equality. His actions helped dismantle institutional racism and state laws. The Lovingvs' victory affirmed liberal values like individual liberty and the right to marry without racial discrimination. Their case contributed significantly to civil rights protections and social progress in America. Richard Lovingv's story is a powerful reminder of how personal commitment can lead to broader change in society.